Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can install and self-host n8n for free. So, without further ado, let's begin. The first thing that we need to do is to go to nodejs.org/en, and then from here, we're going to click on download. Scroll down and click on Windows Installer. Once you finish downloading, we're going to continue by installing Node.js setup wizard. We're going to click on Next, and then we're going to accept the terms in the license agreement, then Next, another Next, and then we're going to click on Install. Once we finish our download, we're going to go to our Start menu, and then type in CMD. Then we're going to click on Command Prompt. Now, we will go over this very slowly. On this screen, simply follow these steps. We're first going to type npm space install space n8n space -g, then enter. This will start the installment of n8n on your local server. Once you're done with your download, simply type n8n, then enter. And once you type n8n, click on O to open your browser. And then, like starting a new account, you're gonna log in with your email, your first name, your last name, password, and some other credentials. So, that's it. Well, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!